Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Annie. Happy birthday to you.
That's the look of it. Yep. How is that? The size good or no?
So I have a brand new one for you.
That's when you can put
I try to not
baking.
But you know,
The size
when you
okay.
check
So you need
just actually
you want to try 38? Try 38?
Yeah, we try it.
Mà phải đi vô cái này đúng không?
yeah, brand new one. You can take care of it.
Let me see then. Do I have enough fat? No, I don't. Okay, guys, so we are back. The last time you seen me in this vlog, I was definitely in the Jimmy Choo store with one of my good friends, and we was at this event that my essay had invited me to. And basically, we were just looking at the new launch of stuff that Jimmy Choo had came out with recently. I didn't get to show you guys in the last vlog, but they did have a all pink line, which basically supported breast cancer. I believe they had pink bags and pink heels, and they also had a pink boot as well. The leather high-waisted boots, really pretty. You guys should definitely go check that out because it's really cute. I was definitely steering more towards the black high-waisted heel, just because I feel like black and gold goes with everything. But the pink was definitely beautiful. It was definitely pretty. And as you guys know, I do have pink heels from Jimmy Choo that I love so love, because pink is one of my favorite colors. Now, you guys know I went to go try on those new shoes and check it out because it is a new launch, so I wanted to see their new stuff. It was really nice. I really liked it. I'm actually thinking about maybe getting one of the pink bags that does support the breast cancer movement for women. But I did end up getting some new shoes from Jimmy Choo, of course, you know. And the name of these are Bang 100. Surprisingly, they are a 37 and a half, and I'm usually like a 38 and a half or like 38. The sizing does differ a little bit for me, and I am a US size 7. Sometimes I'm a US size 6. It just depends on the shoe and how it fits me. As now, it comes with the Jimmy Choo bag, the description, and also tells you like how to care for the shoes. Then we have the unboxing right here. I'm going to shoes. These are really beautiful. The color that they come in is, I think it's called linen, and they're patent leather, and of course they have the pretty little bling bling jewels going across there. Really pretty. They look really beautiful on me. They haven't yet been worn, unfortunately, so I gotta wear these out somewhere. These are pretty comfortable so far. I did try them on in the store and I did wear them, and they seem very comfortable to walk in. Now, I haven't walked in them like extensively for like a long period of time, but as far as me trying it on in the store and me like standing up and like walking around in a circle, they seem very comfortable. They seem like they're a lot more comfortable than my last pair of Jimmy Choo shoes, unfortunately. I don't know what it is, but I seem to have a lot of closed-toe designer shoes and not as much open-toe designer shoes. I got the pink Jimmy Choo heels that are open-toe. Unfortunately, they're not that comfortable. They remind me of like red bottoms, Christian Louboutins. But yes, these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them and I cannot wait to wear them. They're a cream color, which is an off-white. They're not like a pure white color, definitely a cream color. And I was definitely going for more of like a nude heel. I actually don't think I have nude heels in my shoe collection. So this was definitely, it was definitely well worth the funds. No, I have been a little bit obsessed with Jimmy Choo. I actually really like their shoes. I might stick with this brand for a little bit. I might go off and branch off to another brand, but for now, I really like Jimmy Choo. I will see you guys when I'm filming the next clip. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know right now I have to go out. I have somewhere to go. You see, I got my hair did. I did my hair up in like tight wand curls. So yeah,